Hello friends, this is Vani from Viva Sew and Style. How are you all doing? In today's video, I am going to share with you my experience of sewing McCall's M8167. It's a learn to sew pattern, and if you have watched my previous videos, you might be aware that I'm doing a series on my channel about learn to sew patterns from McCall's. I happen to own 15 patterns that are learn to sew. In my previous video, I shared 5 of them and I want to share the rest of 10. But in today's video, I am going to share only one pattern, which is McCall's 8167. This is a really pretty dress, and I just absolutely fell in love with what the model is wearing. Her shoes, her style, and the casual flair. I mean, what's not to love about this look? Also, I felt that it can be easily worn with a pair of leggings or skinny jeans in case you live in a cold place like I do in Michigan, USA, where it's cold for almost 9 months out of 12. So even though we dream about wearing this kind of dresses, but it's not a whole lot of time. So anyway, coming back to the pattern, it's a level 2, and I agree it's like a step up from your very basic beginner level patterns. It's because there are a few elements, like for example you need to do like a rounded hem because this dress is on a curve. So what I do for these is I use my rolled hem foot and I really practiced on it. So I would suggest that you guys practice and then you can easily tackle a curved hem. If you have a rolled hem foot, it normally comes with most of the machines. Also, you should be good at, finishing the neckline with the help of facing. So that's what I did. This dress is giving several options, like you can do color blocking since it's you put a seam in the middle, so in case you have less fabric you can combine two and create yourself a beautiful dress. So in a moment I will show you my make. I chose a cotton fabric and I sewed view B, but I added double ruffle in the sleeve. So let me show you my dress. So this is my dress and I'm very fond of these sleeves, and this was a quilting cotton fabric from Joanne Fabrics and I got it for about $2 a yard. It was on clearance. So I bought a whole bunch of these cottons because it sews up like butter and also washes very beautifully, and it's soft. It's not very thick or stiff. So as you can see, so the dress came out very pretty. I initially wanted to do the view with the neckband, but then it asks you to put snaps, so it's not going in one piece. So I got a little bit confused and I decided to not do it, even though that's what I really wanted to do. So anyway, in my experience, the dress is a very nice one, and I would highly recommend that if you want to step up in your beginner's journey, then you should consider this pattern. Okay, let me put it on and show you how it looks on me. So friends, this is how the dress looks when I have put it on, and I also added pockets to the dress. So this time I made it in a very simple cotton fabric, so now that I have confidence that the dress comes out nice, so next time I will make it in a little bit fancier fabric to bring out the full glory of the dress. Oh, and one thing I wanted to point out is that next time I am going to add a little more room in the sleeve, both in the bicep area and especially around the elbow, especially because I put in double ruffle, so it's kind of tight in this area. I mean, it's not super uncomfortable, but for next time I'm going to do that. But you know, one thing I have that I do not understand is why the sleeve cap height is so tall. Because when I am learning pattern drafting, and I learned from a lot of people who are doing tailoring in India, the sleeve cap height for a person of my height and body size, it's no more than 3.5 to 4 inches. But these sleeve cap heights are 8 or 9 inches or 7 or 8 inches, which is very, very tall. And you need that kind of a sleeve cap only on if you are doing a blazer or a very formal shirt, in my opinion, because that's what restricts the movement. Because now if I raise my arms, the whole dress tends to come up with me. But I mean, it does give a nice finish, but for a casual dress you need to make sure that it's very comfortable also. So that's my only suggestion on this sleeve, on this dress pattern, is that you might need to adjust the sleeves unless you have skinnier arms. But other than that, overall the dress is very beautiful. I'm in love with this styling. So I'm going to share a few more reviews like I mentioned. So please do come back and check out my channel, and if you like my videos, please hit the like button, comment and subscribe to my channel. I will very much appreciate your support. Thank you.